the Addon, which I'm pretty excited about, this month includes one of my favourite alphabets for usefulness. Just look at how many of each letter you're getting. Can you even count that many? It's a million. It's so many. It's wonderful. You get 2.5 rows of A's, and then almost a whole row of C's. You get like 3 rows of E's. It's just, you will not run out. You will be able to write anything you can imagine as a title. I challenge you to try and think up a title that you can't write with those letters. A whole roll of fabulous washi in this great coral colour everybody loves. 2 veneer frames, Favourite and Hello. I love the little arrow here with the hello and the little heart. And talking of that heart, you actually get the heart in here and the arrow. One of the clever things they do with these is you get all the letters that you can see cut out here in the little bag, along with the heart and the pieces of the arrow. So if you like hello with an arrow, you can recreate it somewhere else a second time. A full packet of the enamel dots, including the little heart shapes, the stars and the chevrons. A full packet of the die cuts, I'll open those in a sec. And a full packet of the decorative brads with the tag, the circle, big, small, all sorts of different stuff going on there. So lovely, interesting alternatives to add to your layouts. And let's have a quick look at what's in the die cut bag, because it says there are, how many pieces? 32 pieces in here. I love this new trend. Lots of little bits and pieces. We've got a couple of journaling cards. This was pretty amazing. The heart, wonderful. Love this. On this day, bingo. And then you've got the, I forget what they're called, even though I have one still from when I was a kid. And then there's a bunch of little tags. I'm going to move this over here. Give me a bit more room to work with. Tags. That says number 1. Something wonderful. Lots of journaling options with these on your project life, or your mini albums, or your regular layouts. Lots of layering options. You've got a whole set of numbers. You can see those there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in a little mix of colours. Putting some of them down upside down. That one says documented. And then some circular elements, 4 of those. You and me and lots of others. And then finally 2 little tags, date and camera. And there you go, that's the, just move it over here, that's the embellishment, that's the add-on for this month. July Scrappy Canary kits. You can find them at scrappycanary.com.